We're talking grind consistency, noise levels, static cling, and whether those expensive features are actually worth your hard-earned cash. By the end of this video, you won't just know which grinder to buy, you'll know how to finally unlock the flavor you've been chasing. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Timemore Sculptor 078S Flat Burr Coffee Bean Grinder. The Timemore Sculptor 078S Flat Burr Coffee Bean Grinder is an electric espresso grinder designed for coffee enthusiasts who appreciate precision in their grind size. It features a stepless coarseness adjustment, allowing users to achieve the exact grind level desired, whether it's for a fine espresso shot, a smooth pour-over, a robust French press, or a refreshing cold brew. Flat burr grinding mechanism. This grinder utilizes a flat burr system which provides consistent grind sizes, crucial for brewing high-quality coffee. Stepless coarseness adjustment. Users can make infinite adjustments to the grind size, which means that you can fine-tune your espresso grind or choose a coarser setting for French press brewing. Number 2. DeLonghi Rivelia Automatic Espresso. The DeLonghi Rivelia Automatic Espresso Machine is a sophisticated coffee-making appliance that combines convenience and quality for coffee enthusiasts. This all-in-one coffee maker is designed to brew a variety of coffee beverages, including hot and iced lattes, cappuccinos, and more. One of its standout features is the integrated grinder, which uses a Burr grinding system to ensure consistency in grind size, enhancing the flavor of your coffee. The bean switch system allows you to easily switch between different types of coffee beans, offering versatility for different tastes and preferences. The machine is also equipped with a milk frother, which allows you to create creamy, frothy milk for your favorite espresso drinks. Its compact Italian design makes it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop, while the sleek white finish adds a modern touch. Number 3. Eureka Mignon Silenzio Espresso Grinder. The Eureka Mignon Silenzio Espresso Grinder is a high-quality grinder designed for espresso enthusiasts. It features silent technology, ensuring quiet operation while grinding, making it perfect for home use or in cafes where noise level is a consideration. The grinder uses a stepless adjustment mechanism, allowing users to finely tune their grind settings for optimal extraction. This precise control helps achieve the perfect grind consistency necessary for producing excellent espresso shots. Additionally, the Mignon Silenzio has a time dosing feature, which allows users to set specific grind times for consistent dosing with each use. This is particularly useful for busy mornings or during busy service times in a cafe setting. Number 4. Breville BCG 820 BSS Smart Grinder Pro for Coffee and Espresso. Breville BCG 820 BSS Smart Grinder Pro is an advanced coffee and espresso grinder designed to meet the needs of coffee enthusiasts. This model features a sleek brushed stainless steel exterior, adding a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. The Smart Grinder Pro offers precise grinding with 60 different grind settings, allowing users to seamlessly switch between different brewing methods, including espresso, pour-over, and French press. Its stainless steel conical burrs ensure uniform grinding and help retain the coffee's essential oils and flavor. Equipped with a user-friendly LCD screen, the grinder allows for easy adjustments of grind time and size, ensuring customization for each brewing preference. The precision timer also lets users replicate their favorite grind time, enhancing consistency in their coffee brewing process. Number 5. Espresso K Ultra Manual Coffee Grinder. The Espresso K Ultra is a high-quality manual coffee grinder designed for coffee enthusiasts seeking precision and consistency. It comes in a sleek iron gray color and is equipped with a carrying case for easy transport. The grinder features stainless steel conical burrs, which provide an excellent grind quality, ensuring that coffee beans are ground uniformly for optimal extraction. One of the standout features of the K Ultra is its assembly consistency, allowing users to enjoy a reliable grinding experience with each use. The foldable handle is another convenient aspect that makes the grinder easy to store and carry, making it an excellent choice for travel or outdoor adventures. So there you have it, the ultimate lineup of coffee grinders available for purchase right now in 2026. Whether you're pulling espresso shots with the precision of the Sage Smart Grinder Pro, or keeping it simple and reliable with the Baratza Encore, the right grinder changes everything.